Okinawan Taco Rice. Ingredients. For the taco bowls: 2 cups short grain sushi rice or arborio rice. 2 cups shredded cheese, cheddar or a mild white cheese like Gruyère, asiago, or mozzarella. 2 cups shredded iceberg or romaine lettuce. 1 pound ground beef. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Half teaspoon chili flakes. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. Half teaspoon ground coriander. 1 teaspoon sweet paprika. 1 clove garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 teaspoons sweet miso paste, dissolved in ½ cup water. For the salsa: 3/4 cup diced fresh tomatoes. 2 tablespoons rice vinegar. 1 tablespoon mirin. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 2 teaspoons minced fresh ginger. 1 small red chili, minced, optional, only if you like heat. Directions: put the rice with 2 cups cold water and a pinch of salt in a medium pot. Bring to a boil, then reduce to a low simmer, cover, and cook until tender and the water is absorbed, about 20 minutes. Fluff with a fork and set aside. To make the beef, heat the oil in a large saucepan over medium-high heat. Add beef and stir to break up any lumps, cooking for about 4 minutes until well browned. Add the chili flakes, cumin, coriander, and paprika, and cook for 1 minute, stirring constantly. Add the soy sauce and miso, water blend. Cook for about 4 minutes, until the beef is cooked through and the liquid is mostly cooked off. Remove from the heat. To make the salsa, combine all the ingredients in a medium bowl and mix well. Divide the rice between 4 bowls. Top with the seasoned beef, lettuce, shredded cheese, and salsa. If you want a more filling meal, add sliced avocado and/or an egg.